Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 4, and today I'm going to show you how to change the silicone straps on your watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change the straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones. And it's quite simple. Basically you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever, and you can basically pull it on towards the middle of the strap, and that's how you release the strap from the watch. So you pull on this lever. Sometimes it's a bit of a struggle because the tension on the lever, it might be quite high. So I use the fingernail, even though I don't have the long fingernails, but you can use something flat to grab it and basically pull it. And once you pull it, it will let you to take out the strap. It's quite simple and also quite nicely made. It's one of the best systems because it's simple, easy, and also a lot of watches use this system. And you can pull on it and pull out the strap like this. Like I said before, sometimes the tension is quite high, so you need to fight with it a bit, but it shouldn't be too hard. And here we have our straps, our watch, and this mechanism is quite simple. Basically, you have pin on each side of the strap, and those pins are locked in the holes on the watch right here on one side and other side. And once you pull on the lever right here, it basically retracts this pin, hides it, and once it hides, you can basically pull out the strap on one side, and that lets you pull out it completely, basically pull it out completely. Okay, and to insert the strap, so let's say you have a new strap and you want to attach it, you simply grab your watch, you grab your strap, you take the side opposite from the lever and you insert it into a hole on the watch like this. Then you align the other pin, retract it by pulling on the lever, and align it with the hole, release it, and it will click in. Quite simple as well. Like I said, it might be a bit of a struggle when it comes to tension, but I don't think it should be too hard. Okay, again, side opposite from the lever, hole on the watch, you insert it, then you pull on the lever, retract the pin, align it with the other hole, which sometimes is a bit of a struggle. Come on. Why you're fighting me? Like this, release it, and then it will hold. And here we have it. The straps are reattached. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.